everyone! It's Thursday! Woohoo!
Yeah.
My favorite day of the week.
Wow, really? How come it's your favorite day of the week?
And Thursdays is when my friends and I go to Starbucks for lunch, and Gabrielle Clayton does cooking.
Yes.
Which we have today at 1 o'clock.
Absolutely. I also like Thursday too, because that's when I get my grilled cheese.
Shame on you, Cole. You're not getting your grilled cheese.
Oh, I'll bet you I do. I'll bet you I do. I didn't even say that. Oh my God.
I'm already yawning.
All right. Yesterday was a great day. Good live with Zach. Anyway, I really enjoyed the conversations that Zach was having with people, because Zach is a really good communicator.
That's right. This is the new me.
Yawning Lavelle.
Yeah.
That's what we're going to call her, Yawning Lavelle. Anyway,
Yawning
yesterday
Lavelle.
was great. It was a good day. Everyone had fun. Zach did a good job. But it is Thursday.
Yeah.
I am curious what they're going to cook, because I'm already hungry.
Yes, I can't wait to see what Gabrielle Clayton is going to cook.
Yeah, because like I said, I'm always hungry. It is Thursday, and I always forget to eat breakfast. Do you eat breakfast?
I don't eat breakfast,
You don't eat breakfast?
personally, but sometimes I would eat a granola bar before I get on the bus.
Oh, good idea. See, that's what I need to do. I need to put like a granola bar or something. That's a great way to start the mornings, is yawning.
Yeah.
Yawning is a great way to start the mornings.
Yeah.
Putting a little snack in my bag, or grabbing it as I head out the door. So anyway, what do we got going on for today?
Before I get sleepy, let's check in with Zach and Gabrielle.
Hey, it is Thursday, guys. I don't know. I'm really excited to be sitting here. Before I start the show, I just want to give a little shout out. Happy birthday to my daughter today. Turning the big 19. Man, crazy how time flies. You think a week flies by fast. Man, have a kid that flies by before you know it. But hey, let's get down to business and let's go back in the bearded past with Zach. On this day, April 7th in history, we have Ravi Shankar was born. Ravi Shankar is an Indian musician and composer. One of the big bands he played with was the Beatles. He also played at Gallo Art Center here, and my man Ray over here, Solemn, man, awesome show. Also on this day, Russell Crowe, born 1964. Jackie Chan, 10 years before that, in 1954. And Francis Ford Coppola in 1939. I mean, these are some amazing artists and actors born on this day. And last but not least, those of you who follow the game of golf, probably not a lot of us know, Jack Nicklaus wins his first Masters victory. He went on to be basically the greatest golfer of all time. Tiger Woods, who we all know now, is still chasing Jack Nicklaus in some of his records. Jack Nicklaus is the greatest golfer. He won that first Masters at the age of 23. Guys, have a great Thursday. I can't wait to catch you on Friday. Later, man.
Parks across the street. Look at, here I go. Let's see. Hey, Fido, how you doing? Good doggy. Let's see. Look left and go. Oh no, the TIE Fighter! Oh man! Whoa, that TIE Fighter came out of nowhere! What?
Good morning, everybody. Here it is, Thursday. That's right, down the slippery slope to Friday. And the first weekend, no, it'll be the second weekend. So we already had the first weekend. It'll be the second weekend of the month of April. And today's National Day is, ready for this? Well, some of you will be excited because some of you don't do this to begin with, I don't think, but it's National No Housework Day. Oh, just think about it. Sitting up in a chair with your feet up and watching the dishes pile up and saying, oh, nope, not today. It's a national day. It's a national holiday of not having to do housework. I don't know, some of you do that every day, I think. A lot of you out there. But then there are the freaks of us that jump up out of the chair just to pick up a piece of lint. I used to be like that. I try not to be like that anymore. I've got better things to do than that. But it's hard not to think about, maybe I could let the housework go. I don't know if I could let the dishes pile up, because then the next day there's just twice as many dishes, and now there's not a spoon to have the cereal in the morning, or a fork, or a knife to spread the butter on the toast. And I might have to do the dishes. Or I could just ask somebody else to do the dishes, and then I've still done nothing for the day, and I've celebrated the holiday on the right way. That's a thought. That's perhaps what I'll do. Maybe if you're smart, that's what you do too. You celebrate it and you have somebody else do it. They'll be none the wiser. So try it out today. Pawn your chores off on your mother, brother, sister, father, somebody else. And you take advantage of the National Day of No Housework Day.
How you doing, everybody? The Vanessa are coming to you with a motivational speaker. I hope you guys enjoy it.
There's people who only love you for now. Share this, guys, if you feel this. And what I mean by that, there's people who only love you for what you can bring to their life. What you can bring to their life. The now, whatever it is, maybe you're beneficial to them. Maybe you're giving things to them. Maybe it's beneficial for their life to be around you, right? Maybe they're using you, but they love you for now. What do I mean by that? Once you stop giving it, once you stop showing up for them, once you decide not to be used no more, once you decide to choose you, you're gonna see how they really feel about you. You're gonna see who really loves you for you, because most people, once you choose you, their love disappears. Some of you at a job that only loves you for what you bring to the job. As soon as you ask for a raise, as soon as you ask for a day off, you're replaced.
Alright everyone, we hope you guys enjoyed that.
Because I know I did. That was
Yeah.
good. Good to have them back.
And before we forget, 10:30 we have extra fries with Joe. So it would be great if you guys could join us on Facebook Live. And as I said the other day, going forward, I would love to be Joe's co-host and do the greasy fries count.
Yeah. Except we got to change the song. Instead of the shaking it off, it's got to. Joe, I think. Joe, I think.
Yeah,
wants to change
because Xander, for some reason, doesn't like it when I say shake it off, shake it off.
Well, I think it might change because
Yeah,
Joe is
so-
saying he wants a Pearl Jam song.
So if you don't like me singing Shake It Off, you can always leave or just block your ears.
Or you can just shake it off. All right, so
Yeah.
that's coming up at 10:30. Then what?
You guys don't need to be rude about it, for crying out loud.
For crying out loud, you don't need to be rude about anything. Yeah. All right, what do we
Yeah.
got coming up after that? After the Greasy Fries episode?
Just like I say to people, if you guys don't like my YouTube videos, TikToks, or Instagram posts, if you guys don't like what I post on my social medias, just don't watch it.
Very true. This is a really good advice. If there's something out there that just bothers you, whether it's the news or someone's music or anything like that, you can choose. You have the ability to choose. Oh God, now everybody's yawning.
Yeah.
You can choose to not watch, listen to, that kind of stuff. Or you could choose to just take a nap. One of the many choices out there, many choices. Good job, Louvel. You got everybody sleeping and yawning.
Yeah. But I better get us out of here before I start falling asleep. But before I forget, we also have 1 o'clock Facebook Cooking Live, and I know I already mentioned that at the beginning. But have a good day, everyone, and see you tomorrow on Fun Friday.
Yeah, bye everybody.